In a proud moment for the nation, India recognizes the heroism and sacrifice of its brave soldiers who played a decisive role in Operation Sindoor. On 22 April, Pakistan perpetrated a devastating attack in Pahalgam, India. In this attack, 26 innocent tourists were killed in cold blood after segregating them based on their religion. Operation Sindoor was a landmark military operation launched by the Indian Armed Forces on May 7, 2025 in response to the brutal Pahalgam terror attack. This precision strike against terror camps in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir marked a significant shift in India's counter-terrorism doctrine, showcasing the nation's unwavering resolve to protect its citizens and punish those who dare to harm them. The operation targeted 9 terror camps utilizing advanced precision-guided weapon systems like Scalp, cruise missiles and hammer bombs. During India's 79th Independence Day celebration, India honored its valiant officers and troops for their outstanding bravery, leadership and commitment in a number of actions, including the illustrious Operation Sindoor. President Draupadi Murmu awarded 127 gallantry awards, including Veer Chakras, Kirti Chakras and Sena medals to recognize the exceptional courage and leadership displayed during the operation. Veer Chakra winners Colonel Koshank Lemba, awarded for displaying flawless leadership and exceptional bravery in battle, leading the first ever air mobilization of a specialized equipment battery on short notice. Squadron leader Siddhant, he was honored for his role in Operation Sindoor, where he led a 3-aircraft formation for a stand-off precision strike on a designated target. Group Captain Ranjit Singh Sidhu, Commanding Officer of the Indian Air Force, Number 17 Squadron, also known as the Golden Arrows, he was awarded the Veer Chakra for his actions during strikes against Pakistani targets. Squadron Leader Rizwan Malik, awarded for his gallantry during a daring midnight strike mission deep into heavily defended enemy airspace. Kirti Chakra winners Captain Lalvi Noma Silo, awarded the Kirti Chakra for his exceptional bravery. Lieutenant Shashank Tiwari, recognized with the Kirti Chakra for his courageous actions. Operation Sindoor was a testament to India's military might and operational preparedness. We salute the brave soldiers who made the ultimate sacrifice and continue to inspire generations with their courage and devotion to duty. Thank you. Jai Hind.